Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Hanston, and today I'm going to show you how to change your water supply line. There could be a few reasons why you want to change it. Could be a clog. They could be just getting old and rusty and you want to replace it before you have a serious water leak. Alright, one of the first things you want to do before even touching them is you want to shut off your main supply to your water, and that's normally over by your water heater. There's two, one for hot and one for cold. Make sure those are off before you even think about touching these. Alright, the supply lines are the one coming out of the wall. You got two of them, one for hot and one for cold water. You normally have one supply line going to your dishwasher too, so you might want to check that. You might want to replace that as well. First step, what you want to do is you want to unscrew the top part that goes up to the kitchen sink. So let's do that real quick. Second thing is what you want to do is you want to unhook the hose and make sure you have a bucket under there because there is going to be some extra water. Alright, so once we got the new line in, first thing you want to do is make sure this is off still and go and turn on your main water supply line. Once you do that, you come back here and you check and make sure that there's no other leaks. Then you can turn on your supply to your kitchen sink. Once you have that on, checks for leaks as well. If you have no leaks, you did a great job. Once again, I'm Jeff Hansen, and thanks for watching.